It is 2 o'clock on Friday.
It is.
And this is WLTW, what I learned this week, what you learned this week, what our special guest...
What I learned this week. Jon Rothstein. Hi, everybody.
Jon Rothstein has learned this week. Jon Rothstein is one of the two-person duo, the Hillary Step, who have a show. But we're going to get to that. We're going to talk about all that. But first, let's talk about you. So, you know how, Jon, like... during your week, it's just you're going through all this stuff during the week, and then you have the weekend, right? Then it just like crashes in.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden you're going through your weekend,
yeah.
and you never take like that minute to be like, like what am I actually getting anywhere?
Right.
Right?
Absolutely.
So that's kind of what we're doing today. We want to, this is just that moment where you can take stock and share what you have learned this week. And so then what's going to happen is I'm going to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Jon is going to share something he learned this week.
I will.
Then, here's what's going to happen. We're going to put it up on the Downstage Media blog. You can go to downstage.media. Oh, look, we've got somebody on already. Hello.
Oh, look at that.
There we go. Hello. So then we're going to put it up on the blog so you can refer to all this stuff. So I'm going to dive right in, Jon.
No, dive.
Is that cool?
Go do it. Yeah.
Okay.
That's cool.
All right. So, because if it's more than 10 minutes,
yeah.
then, because I'm not verified, Downstage Media is not verified on Instagram.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
A lot of people aren't. It's okay. I don't take it personally. Are you verified? Is the Hillary Step?
I don't know.
Do you have a little blue check mark?
I doubt it.
Yeah. You don't.
I doubt it.
You're not verified.
Yeah, I know.
And so that means that, why are you lying?
I'm not lying. I don't mean to be lying.
Okay.
I'm not verified.
All right, so you're not verified. And so we can only do these, we can only save our lives for 10, here's what's going to happen. We're going to do this live.
Okay.
Then we're going to save it. Then we're going to put it up on IGTV. I'm sharing this for you if you want to figure out how you can get more mileage out of your content. So then we're going to share it up on IGTV, but you can only share a 10-minute video on IGTV. It can't be longer than that.
Okay.
So that's why we have to do this in 10 minutes.
Right.
So I'm sorry if we're speaking very quickly. Rob Schiffman, who is on, full disclosure, Rob Schiffman is my husband. I'm Annie Schiffman. Rob Schiffman's my husband. Rob Schiffman, what is Rob Schiffman to you, Jon?
Rob Schiffman is my best friend. We have been together as songwriting partners for quite some time, perhaps over 20 years. Not quite sure if that's the right figure, but we've known each other since second grade, so we've had a lot of time together to grow and understand who each other is and what we do.
Cool, yeah. So let us know if you're having this. We're doing like a dual mic thing, so we want to make sure that everyone can hear us. Okay, so let us know if you can hear us. All right. Okay, so here's something that I learned this week.
Yes, what did you learn?
I dove into this new social media platform called Kit.
Oh, wow.
Which is really cool. So here's what it is. So you go to kit.com, and let's say you are you're a musician.
Sure.
Let's say you're a musician, you have a show, and people want to know,
good
like,
place to start, yes.
What do you use as your guitar? What is your amp? What is your microphone? Like, what is all the gear that you take with you? You can put it up on Kit, and then you can also put any like affiliate links.
Yeah.
So like if you're an Amazon associate, and every time somebody buys that and clicks on that link, that you get money, or like B&H, they have an associate thing, then you get that money.
Wow.
Right?
Wow.
So kit.com is a great way that you can do this. I was thinking for like if you're a ballet dancer and you want to say like what toe shoes are you using?
Nice.
What tights are you using?
Nice.
Where is your makeup from?
Sure.
Right? Like all of that. And then you can post that on social media. You can have that like in your bio, and people can get the exact gear that. Why is this funny?
It's so funny.
I have no idea. You're like,
well, because I'm thinking about my toddler and all her gear and what she would post.
See, parents could do this. Parents could say, this is the gear that I have for my kids. That would be amazing,
right?
For like mom bloggers or whatever. So let us know if there's a way that you think that you could use this. So I really thought kit.com was a very cool thing, and it got me thinking that every time you tell somebody about something that you're doing, there should be a way for people to click on a link, and that should support you in some way, shape, or form. It's like a nice way as an artist that you can be having some other residual income from that sort of a thing. So
very smart.
Kit.com is a way that they help, as far as I'm concerned, they help artists do that. So I just want to give a little shout out to I Smell Farts. How's it going, I Smell Farts? Thanks for also joining us. All right, so Jon, tell us. Jon Rothstein, songwriter, bass player,
Right?
father,
Yes.
best friend.
All these things.
What did you learn this week?
What did I learn this week? I learned, honestly, that it's really important to have a content calendar because on Monday I was posting for the show and I was certain that there was a complicated thing I had to post, but instead I came to my content calendar and I said, oh my God, no, not at all, not complicated at all. And because I'm coming to the post at like 11 o'clock at night, so having the shorter thing to do was so much better than having the really difficult thing to do. And so instead of having to stay up till 2 in the morning to do my post, I only stayed up till 11:30 to do my post.
Because you had the content calendar, so you didn't have to think about what you were going to do. You already knew what you were going to do.
I had the content calendar advising me what to do. And it's really been a blessing to have. And I've been working with you. Full disclosure, I've been working with Amy on it. And she's been amazing. And I'm not just saying that. I really, truly mean it. Because I didn't know anything about anything when I started this process, and now I'm really savvy on Instagram stories and how to post on Facebook, how to tag people, how to follow your content calendar, how to do all kinds of things with video and add tags and add new slides to videos and things like I didn't even know I could do. So
I know you're so savvy.
And the thing is, I was pushed along by my content calendar the whole time. So it all fits in that I came to rely on it, and having it there was just a huge asset. And like I said, Monday, it could have been a really bad day, but because of my content calendar,
it's just easier.
Right.
Yeah, I like to, I mean, that's one of the reasons that I created a content calendar like 5 or 6 years ago. A lot of you know that I got into social media right around the same time that my husband got a booking agent, which means that he was traveling like 200 days of the year. My 2 children were born, so I was like severely sleep deprived, and I was home all the time. So I got more into social media, and I realized a content calendar was going to be vital because I was so tired. I didn't want to have to, like, by the time I sat down to start working on content, I didn't want to have to think about what the content was. I wanted that already worked out. So now, Jon, so you've been posting so much. Tell everyone what you are posting about. What's going on?
I am posting about the show that her husband, Rob Schiffman, and I are doing called The Hillary Step Presents Full Circle, an evening of songs about life in your 40s at 4 in the morning.
Also for sleep deprived. There's another.
Exactly. There are several songs, in about 15 songs, I think, and a wonderful cast of 6 New York City performers in a cabaret-style format, singing the songs that Rob and I used to play in gigs, and some that we've written for musical theater type shows. And instead, Rob has arranged them for a 6-person ensemble to sing and to perform. So it's really been exciting, kind of watching it happen. I'm playing bass in the band in addition to doing the social media, and it's coming up this weekend. And the actors sound absolutely fantastic. Kevin R. Free, Scott Janes, Chelsea Camp, Mallory Kinney, Mark T. Engberg, and Matt Gervino. They're just terrific, and Gary Adler is playing the piano, and of course Rob is lending vocals, music directing, and
I'm going to cut you off here because of our 10-minute time limit.
Much.
If you go to thehillarystep.com, you'll be able to get tickets to this show. And if you want a little sneak peek, you've been posting videos, you've been posting all kinds of stuff for the past few weeks, every single day.
Every day.
So if you want to hear these songs, if you want to get a taste of what it's going to be like, go check out The Hillary Step on Instagram, and you'll be able to see, get a little taste, a little ear taste. And go to thehillarystep.com if you're in New York City on Sunday and Monday. We say this weekend, but it's like an actor's weekend. So it's Sunday and Monday.
Right.
So 4:30 on Sunday, 6:30 on Monday. But go to thehillarystep.com for all the details. It's also linked in the bio for your Instagram account.
Yes.
So all of that is there. Rob is saying John is rocking on the bass. We have to say goodbye. Thank you. We will see you next week. Well, I will see you next week.
Yeah.
You might see, John might
Yep.
start his own show on Instagram
Yep.
Live now that he knows how.
I might.
But we'll see you next week at 2 o'clock for WLTW, What I Learned This Week. Can't wait to have you share that with us. Thanks so much, everybody.
Bye-bye.
And